Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I want to talk about the Huawei B525 4G Plus router. Now this is the router that I purchased back in 2019, and I had used this router for 3 years. The performance was great at that time, but now I have shifted to the newest 5G CPE router by ZTE. So if you guys happen to have this router, you can use it as your main internet connection. If you have a cellular SIM card slot available, you can put SIM card in this SIM tray from here and insert SIM card in this slot. This device is to be used primarily as a 4G router, but you can also use this as the Wi-Fi router. What I'm talking about is if you have an access point which is separate device, you can connect that to this router through the given Ethernet ports out here. So we can just connect the LAN or WAN port over here, and you can use this as your Wi-Fi router. So apart from this router, you also get some antennas. So these are physical antennas that you can use with this router for extended range if you want. I was using this thing back in 2019, and it had given me good 4G LTE coverage, which was pretty nice feature to have. So you can just connect this thing in the back. As you can see, there are two Wi-Fi router Wi-Fi antenna slots over here. You can just put these things inside and you can use it. Another feature is that it has the USB slot here. Now this USB slot is used if you happen to have a server. If you want to make a server into the router, you can use these USB ports, and create a server for yourself. This is what you can do. If you want to have a telephone connection with you, you can also connect the telephone line through here. Now this telephone port is actually, if you have a SIM card which supports the telephone function, you can use it as a telephone. So this is a pretty nice router that you can use, and let's get into the specifics of this router and let's boot this thing up and see what it has stored for us. So as you can see that I have connected this thing to the power outlet, and you can see these lights over here. One thing I want to mention over here is that it doesn't have any SIM inside. So what I want to check is whether this router can be used as a range extender without using a Ethernet or LAN port. So let's get started. So as you can see that I have connected my Wi-Fi router to the power source, and I have to connect the Wi-Fi on my laptop now. For that I have to write the Wi-Fi password. As you can see, it's connecting, and when it has connected, and it has taken me straight to the Wi-Fi configuration page. Now I am trying to log in to the Wi-Fi configuration page. As you can see, I have logged in. Now the first thing that I will notice that since this router doesn't have any SIM card in it, it's going to show me some strange things, because there is no internet connection there. But the one thing that I have to check is whether this thing can be used as a range extender or not. So for that purpose, I will just go to different settings and see whether I can get this thing to work as a range extender. So after searching for countless number of times, I wasn't able to see any specific option that I can use to use it as a range extender. So therefore this thing cannot be used as a range extender. Now I will try that whether it can be used as a Wi-Fi router. Since I have an access point already in my home, which I am using the 5G one, I want to check whether this can be used as a Wi-Fi router by connecting the WAN port on this router with an Ethernet cable straight to the 5G CPE router that I already have in my home. So let's check that through the internet. So yes, we can use this router as the Ethernet connection. So let me just connect so as you can see that it has connected, and let me check the speed of this device. Maybe I should go to fast.com and check whether. Yes, you can see that in fast.com it's giving me good speed. But keep in mind that I have connected the Huawei router, not the other one, which is pretty nice. As you can see, I can use it. Now this is nice because it is giving at least 120 megabytes of speed. So now this router can be used as a Wi-Fi router without a SIM card. If you have an access point with you, if you do not have an access point with you, it won't work. You need to have an access point, and by that you can connect this router to the access point and use it as your Wi-Fi router. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. And if you want to change the settings, everything, you can just even go to here, the website. So from here, you can go to settings, and you can see that if I go to the Ethernet and Ethernet status, it's connected and giving me the IP and all that kind of stuff. If I go to WLAN, I can change my different configurations from here. I didn't connect antennas yet, but you can see that it's working. Speed is pretty fine. And that's how you can use the device as a Wi-Fi router. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Peace out.